Such a nice, beautiful day with my diamond pickaxe. It took forever to find those three diamonds, but I'm glad it's over. Found my three diamonds. I paid up to go outside with this stupid soldier. Hey, I'm not stupid soldier, okay? I'm gonna be the general some year. Yeah, whatever. But now to go to the outside world. To mine some cobblestone and get some, I don't know, some rocks. But let's do this. You're outside world. Just take a step. God dang, it's super loud. Dirt field. Okay, let's get some cobblestone up here. Okay. Oh, that's a dead bush. Okay, I'm ready. Stop doing this, not running. I thought this is gonna be more faster. It's like Bedrock. I can't break it. Come on. I'm getting rocks. Can I mine this? Nope, I can't mine it too. Man, this sucks. Oh, I haven't tried this. Oh my God, this thing is breaking. Nope. Nope. Oh boy, I can break that. Yeah, come on. Paid my whole ticket, which would cost $3 gold. Forget it. I'm not using this pickaxe. Dang. I can fill up this. Ah, stop it. Oh. Oh. I just got my stuff. I was probably thinking about it. Come on! Do it already! Oh! No, what are you? Oh. Hey, Bluebird.
Oh, hey! I'm just relaxing in the pool. I like the pool.
It's not a pool.
It is to me! Whee! Hey, shower!
That's for my pickaxe, Bluebird.
Hey, whatever! Hey, I've been doing this thing! Nice and relaxing. Bluebird inside a bathtub.
It's a shower now.
Get a shower? It's a bathtub! I can take a shower. Yeah.
Fine. If you wanted a bathtub, here is your bathtub.
Yeah. This is nice and fashion. Where are you gonna move me at? Ah! Oh, come on. You just have to remove my bathtub.
Yeah. It was dirty. It had a lot of dirt in it.
Come on. I'm gonna send my other group. You're gonna be in trouble.
No, I'm not gonna be in trouble. You're gonna be in trouble. Being inside the pool.
Ah, whatever. I get the... Okay. Back to swimming pool. Still left water in here.
As for my pickaxe, you noob. Get out of here.
Where you hurt me?
Be quiet, bird, or else I'm gonna get in trouble.
I want you in trouble.
No, shut up. Shut up. You want your bath?
Nice relaxing bath. That's what I wanted.
Oh my God. I'm gonna clean this mess up.
Clean it by going inside the bath.
No, I don't want to get inside the bath. I got wet already, okay?
Whatever. Sit yourself.
I hate that blue bird.
Yay! Live my bathtub. It's overflow. It's an overflow. Damn it. Whee! What? Ow! Ow, I hit myself. I look so clean. I get a little bit of water inside me.
Go in the bathtub.
I love the bathtub. It's so cool. It's so wet.
Oh, stop it. Get it on a camera. Look. Bluebird, I hate you because you're kind of annoying.
I'm not annoying. You're annoying. Getting soaked in. Yep, I found it.
Come on, Bluebird.
Yep. I want my bath time.
Nope. Bath time, I'm gonna wait.
What? Are you cooking me a soup?
Of course I am.
Don't cook me a soup. Whoa.
It's no a porta potty.
No, you're not turning bad. You're not gonna turn this thing into a potty.
I did already.
Man.
Especially, I have to go right now.
Yeah, we're gonna do the potty.
I just tricked you.
Oh man, stupid. Going in. Going back in to do that.
Look at your mess you made.
It's not me.
Oh man. Keep you to say this.
Hey, keep it off. Doing his own business. Because he did that little virus thing that you don't care.
Yeah, I don't care about that little virus that's spreading for the whole country.
Country. Now I'm getting afraid.
Stop spidering everywhere.
Sorry. Get a little bit nervous. Also, I just peed.
Ugh. Look at those pee marks.
I love this little teeny tiny bathtub.
Okay. Alright. Liberty, can you just get out of here?
No, wait. I'll never get out of here until you go away.
I want you to go away.
No, I want you to go away.
Come on. Okay, fine. I'm gonna get you out myself.
No. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you kidding me? Again?
Yep.
Yeah, my water. It's up to me. It's up to me. It's up to me. Water! No! My water, it's gone. My opinion, you. That's all I had for the water.
That's it for our video. Hope you enjoyed this, because I didn't enjoy this, because stupid Bluebird decided to make a mess.
Hey, you're the one that made a mess.
No, I didn't. You want to get out, so it's your mess now. Anyway, thank that Warbit twat over there. Yeah, peeing all over the place. Look at this. Water everywhere. So, hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little short one, a long one. Goodbye. Oh my god, am I supposed to clean this mess up?